Dear children, today we have to learn in Standard 9 Subject Social Science chapter number 19. The name of the chapter is India Human Life. What is the name of the chapter, dear children? India Human Life. Now, dear children, you know very well that in the previous lecture we have already learned about the lifestyle of the southern India. In lifestyle of the southern India, we included the state in southern India are Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and the Union Territory of Pondicherry are included in southern India. After, dear children, we learn very important thing that in southern India the people are speak the different languages after they are celebrated the different festival, after dwelling, dressing, food. This all these things we have to learn in the previous lecture. Now today, dear children, we have to learn about the lifestyle of the Eastern India. What today we have to learn? We have to learn about the lifestyle of the Eastern India. So dear children, you have to open the page number 146 from your textbook of lifestyle. It means Lok Jivan, Eastern India. Eastern India, it means Purva Bharat. Which one? Purva Bharat. First of all, dear children, they have to given the name of the state, that which state we have to include it in the Eastern India. The state of Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Sikkim, Meghalaya, etc. are included in Eastern India. Out of this, Odisha and West Bengal have sea coast. Now, dear children, we remember that in Eastern India, it means in the Purva Bharat, which states we have to include. You have to see the map of India, and they have to say about this direction, eastern sides of India. The states of Bihar, which states we have to include in Eastern India? The state of Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Sikkim, Meghalaya, etc. This all states we have to include in the eastern part of the India. Out of them, they have to given that are included in Eastern India. Out of this, Odisha and the West Bengal. Which two states they have to given name, dear children? Odisha and the West Bengal. These two states have the sea coastal area. Which area? Sea coastal area. These two states have Odisha and West Bengal in eastern part of India. First of all, dear children, they have to given about the food habit. Which one? The food, it means khorak. Food, it means khorak. People in Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and the West Bengal take roti and the vegetables. What happened, dear children? We remember that. You have to see the food sense of the Eastern Indian people. And Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and the West Bengal people are eat the roti and the vegetables, but use more rice in their meals. Also, these people are use more rice in their meals. In their meals, they are using the more rice. Rice is a staple diet in the mountainous region. What happened, dear children? The people maximum who live in the mountain region, they have a main food as a staple diet as a rice. They also use, these people are also uses pulses, green vegetables in their meals. What happened, dear children? They are also uses the pulses. Pulses, it means you know very well that cutthroat. Green vegetables, it means shakbari in their meals. After, dear children, they have to given that rasgulla and sandesh. Which one? Rasgulla and the sandesh are their favorite sweets of the Bengali people. Which one, dear children? You know very well that rasgulla and sandesh. These two are the main favorite sweets of the Bengali people. We remember. Next one, dear children, they have to given the information of the dressing sense. Which one, dear children? Dressing sense. Dressing sense, it means pahervesh. Bihari people wear dhoti, jabho, khesh on the shoulder, and part, it means headgear. What they have to given that, dear children? They have to given that in the dressing sense. Bihari people wear dhoti, jabho and the khesh. In the part, headgear also. Women put on sari, petticoat and the blouse. If you have to see the dressing sense of the woman, then what happened that dear children here? Woman put on the sari, petticoat and the blouse. There is not much difference in the attire of the people in Jharkhand, Assam and the Odisha. What happened that dear children here? You cannot see the major difference of the dressing sense of the people of the Jharkhand, Assam and the Odisha. Bengalis ladies wear a sari in the Bengali style. What happened that dear children? We remember that the Bengali woman, it means the Bengalis lady, wear the sari in the Bengali style, and gents put on the plaited with fold dhoti and silken jabbo. If you to see the dressing sense of the woman of the Bengali, then the Bengali ladies wear the sari in the style of Bengali, while the gents put the fold dhoti in the silken jabbo. Next one, dear children, they have to given about the dwelling. Which one, dear children, they have to given about the information of dwelling. Dwelling, it means Rethan. Dwelling, it means Rethan. People in plain region live in the house made up of bricks and the cement. What happened, dear children? You know very well that the people who are living into the plain region, they live in the house made up of bricks and the cement. People in mountain region use the wood and the bamboo in their houses. Underline it and remember that this one, dear children. People who are living into the mountain region, they are use wood and bamboo in their houses. So dear children, here I have written that mountain people use wood and bamboo in their house where they are living. Slanting roof. Which one, dear children? Slanting roof are seen in the region of the heavy rainfall. Wherever in the mountain region, we know very well that heavy rainfall. So here they were slanting roof are seen in the region of the heavy rainfall. So in the Bengal, there is a pukurum. If you have to see in the Bengal, what happened there? They in the Bengal, the people are also prepare one pukur. Pukur, it means small pond. What is the meaning of pukur? Pukur, it means small ponds in the rear part of the house. In the rear part of the house, in the Bengal, the people are prepared one pukur. Pukur, it means small ponds where the fish is reared for daily use in their mention. And what happened there? Out of that small pond, the people are using the fish for the daily meals. Now next one, dear children, they have to be one about the information of the languages. Which one? Language. Language, it means bhasha. Hindi is spoken in Jharkhand, Bihar and the Chhattisgarh. Which language, dear children? Remember, Hindi is also our national language. The same way, Hindi is spoken in Jharkhand, Bihar and the Chhattisgarh. Hindi is spoken in Jharkhand, Bihar and the Chhattisgarh states. Maithili, Bhojpuri and Magadhi. Which one, dear children? Remember, Maithili, underlining, Bhojpuri and Magadhi. These three are dialects spoken in the Bihar states. In Bihar states, the people are speak the languages of Maithili, Bhojpuri and the Magadhi. Same way, Assami in the Assam state. Which one, dear children? Assami in the Assam state. Their language of Assam in the Assam. Odia in Odisha. Which one, dear children? Odia in the Odisha state. Odia language in Odisha state. Same way, they have to given that this language was spoken in their state. So the in Odia in Odisha and Bengali in Bengal. If you to see the Bengal state, then Bengal state, the Bengali language is spoken by the people, and other spoken languages in the respectively. You have to see the other languages are also the spoken. Garo and Khasi. Which one, dear children? Underline it. Garo and Khasi languages are spoken in the Meghalaya. In Meghalaya state, they have spoken the Garo and Khasi language. Mizo dialects used in the Mizoram state. If you to see the Mizoram state, then Mizo dialects is used in the Mizoram state. After, dear children, they have given the information of festivals and the holidays. Which one? Festivals and the holidays. It is Utsava and Tehwar. Bihu of Assam and Odissi in Odisha, the famous dance style. Which one, dear children? We remember, underline it. Bihu in the Assam state. Bihu in Assam and Odissi in Odisha, are the famous dance styles of the chariot procession of Jagannath Puri is the world famous of which one, dear children, you know very well that Jagannath Rath Puri Yatra. So here the Jagannath Rath Puri Yatra is the world famous of. Same way the festival of, after dear children they have to given the name of festival of Chhat and Bhaiya Dooj. Which one? The festival of Chhat and Bhaiya Dooj in Bihar and Durga Puja in Bengal are celebrated with the great pomp. What they have given that festival of Chhat and Bhaiya Dooj in the Bihar and Durga Puja is Bengal in Durga Puja is celebrated in Bengal with the great enthusiastic way and the great pomp. Thus, every state has its own festival and the holidays. So, dear children, whatever that we can say that every state has their own festival as well as the holidays. India is a secular country. Dear children, you know very well that India is a which kind of the country? India is a secular country. Secular it means bin sampradayik. Yes, and that's why we can say that India, unity in diversity is there. So every state celebrate the religious and the national festivals also. Every state celebrate the religious and national festivals with the great pomps. In India, the festival of all religion are celebrated without any violence. So dear children, what we can say that at last but not the least, that India's festival of all the religion are celebrated without any kind of the violence. It means the people are celebrated with great unity, with great cooperation. The people are celebrated their festivals and their religious festival and the national festivals are celebrated. So dear children, today we have to learn about the lifestyles of the Eastern India. In the lifestyle of the Eastern India, we have learned about the food, dressing, reading, languages, and the festivals and the holidays. Thank you, dear children.